Manual muscle testing evaluates the strength of individual muscles or groups of muscles. In this video, we will be talking about muscle grading, specifically for shoulder flexion. With muscle grading, it is graded on a scale from 0 to 5. 0 being none, which means that there is no palpable flicker of muscle contraction, and 5 being normal, which the client will be able to go through full active range of motion against gravity with maximum resistance.
Okay, I need you to put your arm down by your side and bring it up as far as you can in front of you. Okay, great. You can put your arm down now. And can you bring your hand up to my hand? And I'm going to apply resistance, so try to resist me. I'm applying maximum resistance.
That would be a muscle grade of a 5, which is normal because the client got through full active range of motion with maximum resistance.
Now I need you to put your arm right down by your side again and raise it up as far as you can. Okay, great. You can put it back down now. Now I want you to bring your arm back up to my hand. Okay, and I'm going to apply pressure. I'm applying almost maximum resistance.
This will be a muscle grade of a 4+ or a good plus because the client reached full active range of motion against gravity with almost maximum resistance.
Okay, I need you to bring your arm to your side and bring it up as far as you can. Okay, you can relax now. Put your arm back to your side. Can you bring your hand back up to my hand? Okay, I'm going to apply pressure. I'm applying moderate resistance.
This will be a muscle grade of a 4 or a good because the client got through full active range of motion against gravity with moderate resistance.
Can you put your arm down back by your side and bring it up as far as you can? Okay, you can relax now. Can you bring it up to my hand? Okay, I am applying less than moderate resistance.
This muscle grade would be a 4- or a good minus because the client got through full active range of motion against gravity with less than moderate resistance.
I need you to put your arm down by your side and raise it as far as you can. Okay, now you can relax. Now I need you to bring your arm up to my hand, and can you hold this remote? Good job.
This would be a muscle grade of a 3+ or a fair plus because the client got through full active range of motion against gravity with minimal resistance.
In this case, this would have been the remote.
Yeah.
I need you to put your right arm by your side. Now keeping your arm straight, raise your arm up as high as you can. Good, you can relax now.
This would be a muscle grade of 3 or fair because the client reached full active range of motion with no resistance.
Okay, I need you to put your right arm by your side. Now, while keeping your arm straight, raise your arm as far as you can. Okay, you can relax now.
The normal range of motion for shoulder flexion is 0 to 180 degrees. The client reached about 0 to 120 degrees. Therefore, this would be a muscle grade of 3- or fair minus because the client reached more than half active range of motion against gravity.
Okay, I need you to put your arm by your side. Now, while keeping your arm straight, raise your arm up in front of you as far as you can. Okay, you can relax now.
The normal range of motion for shoulder flexion is 0 to 180 degrees, and the client reached about 0 to 45 degrees. This would be a muscle grade of 2+ or poor plus because the client reached less than half full active range of motion against gravity.
Okay, I need you to put your arm down by your side. Now, while keeping your arm straight, raise your arm in front of you as far as you can. Good, you can relax now.
When the client is laying on her side and she reaches her arm up in front of her, this is the gravity-reduced position for shoulder flexion. The client reached full active range of motion with gravity reduced, therefore this would be a muscle grade of 2 or poor.
Okay, I need you to put your arm down by your side. Now, while keeping your arm straight, raise your arm in front of you as far as you can. Good, you can relax.
This would be a muscle grade of 2- or poor minus because the client has less than full active range of motion, gravity reduced. The last two grades are 1, trace, and 0, none. 1 is where there is a palpable flicker of muscle contraction, and 0 is where there is no palpable flicker of muscle contraction. Thanks for watching our video over muscle grading.